Alright guys, here we've got a ML350D. It's a 2012 model. We've just done the service on it, and as you can see now, the service overdue light has come on, so we're going to reset that. So what you're going to have to do is turn the first click accessories on. So there you go, that's accessories on. And we're going to have to press the call and the OK button held down together. So I'm just going to have to place the phone down. Give me 1 second. Okay, so call and OK, keeping them held down. But before you do that, the kilometers have to be illuminated like so. So call and OK, keeping them held down. And there you go. So now you've reached the assist menu. So you just scroll down to assist plus, service data, which shows you what service is due and when it's due at, and you just scroll down to full service, confirm full service, click into OK, yes, okay. And we'll scroll back, and then it shows that it's been reset there. Even though it says that it has not been confirmed, it has still been reset. So that's how you do the reset on the ML Mercedes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. If it did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and check out our channel. Thanks guys.